Hello guys, today I'm gonna make a video about zoo. So, uh, this is my first time making video for the English practice. So, uh, I will try my best. For the zoo is a place that animals go right there, and some people taking care of their daily habit like the food or the medication. So I think separate people can go there and buy some tickets for the separate fees and then enjoy the moment. So I'm gonna talking about the pros and the cons. The pros is the animal in zoo is I think is very healthy because every day uh, the animal got uh, fed by the people right there, right? So they not hungry. And then the second is for the people and the children almost is like very happy, right? For go to the zoo. Like education thing. Education in junior high school or elementary school. Uh, yeah, so they gotta see a lot of animal for their age. And then for the third thing is uh, the environment. Talking about environment, that people always go to the mall or at the park. So zoo is something new, right? Like uh, people don't go there. So that's a new destination. And then how about the cons? The cons is like the animal is very far away from the animal land, like the foresting. And then the second one is the place I think is too small for animal that have a big body like elephant or uh, hippo. Yeah. So I think if you want to make some zoo, you gotta make some really big space. And then the third one is maybe in some places like my country, Indonesia, some places like zoo is very unhygiene. So uh, the ticket is very cheap, but the environment it's really bad. So my opinion about zoo is I think it's important to uh, somewhere people that concerned about animal, but the animal itself, I think it doesn't like easy to be there. So yeah, I think most of people like it, but the animal, I think they struggle. Okay, that's it for me. Thank you. Bye bye.